A high wind warning will be in place from 9 p.m. Wednesday night through 6 a.m. Thursday morning. Gusts up to 65 miles per hour are possible, which could cause power outages and difficult travel for high-profile vehicles. Severe thunderstorm watch issued until 1 a.m. for Washington County, Sheboygan County, Walworth County, Fond du Lac County, Dodge County, Waukesha County, Jefferson County. Watay. Phoenix was in the mid-50s. Now we have the wind to worry about, with gusts already reaching 40 miles per hour, and the night is just beginning. The high wind warning is until 9 a.m. Thursday, with gusts over 65 expected. These gusts are not like a thunderstorm that lasts a few minutes. These are like a tropical storm that will last for hours. As a result, there will be downed trees and power lines and some wind damage to structures. There is a chance for a few thunderstorms as the cold front moves through around 11 p.m., but they will lose a lot of the punch they have in Iowa, Minnesota and western Wy. By morning the temps will have fallen to near 40, with westerly winds gusting to 50 miles per hour. Thursday is sunny, but it will be much colder, with temps falling into the 30s and wind chills near 20. Westerly winds will gust to near 40 miles per hour for most of the day. Friday is partly cloudy and cold, with highs in the mid-30s and a light breeze. There is a chance for some flurries Friday evening. Check the interactive radar 7-day forecast. Active weather alerts tonight: cloudy, gusty and mild with scattered thunder showers before midnight. Low, 58 at midnight. 38 by morning. Wind, SW 30 to 60 with gusts to 65. Thursday, mostly sunny, very windy and much colder. High, 30s. Wind, W 20 to 40, gusts to 45 mph. Wind. This material may not be published, broadcast, rewritten, or redistributed. Sign up for the Breaking News newsletter and receive up-to-date information.